Make pasta into ramen? Oh, yeah, we can do it. Hello everyone, this will be my last ramen series video for the time being, but today I want to show you how you can transform some pasta into something that pretty much almost resembles ramen noodles. I learned this through Ray of Ramen, so shout out to him, he taught me a lot actually about ramen. I'll be showing you how to make an updated shoyu ramen as well using the tare we made a while ago, so let's get started. I'll be showing you all how to make an easy aroma oil again. First, we take a small knob of ginger, give it a few cuts, and then one garlic clove, and begin to mince both of them up. Once minced, I'm going to place it in a pan with some chopped up scallions that my grandma already helped me with. Place a small amount of vegetable oil until it covers most of the aromatics. Place it under medium heat and we're going to keep stirring until it starts turning golden brown, like this. Once it's golden brown like this, take it off the heat and prepare your strainer where we'll strain the oil into a bowl. Once it's been strained, take your fried aromatics and place them in a bowl with a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Now we have some aroma oil and some fried aromatics for a topping as well. We're going to start prepping our toppings. Slice off the white part of the scallion and place it in your serving bowl. The white part of the scallion has the most flavor, so that's the part we want to use in our broth. I'm going to cut the green part of the scallions at a diagonal. These will make these nice long strips that will make as a good topping. And it looks fancy too as a garnish. Alright, time to actually get to the ramen pasta part. I'll be using some Barilla today, but any brand should work. Here I have 2 liters of water, and per liter of water, you're going to put in a tablespoon of baking soda. So, in this case, since I have 2 liters, I'll put in 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Give it a good stir, and we're going to bring this up to a boil before placing our pasta into it. Once you place your pasta in, set the timer for al dente plus 2 minutes. For this Barilla linguine pasta, it was 10 minutes for al dente, so I'm going to set my timer for 12 minutes. My pasta is a little bigger than my pot, so I'm going to keep stirring it until it slowly descends into the boiling water. So I want to explain why this method works. Pasta is a noodle that is very close to ramen, except it lacks the alkaline solution, or kansui. If we use the baking soda with the boiling water, it gives a similar effect and will cause the noodle to be more chewy like a ramen noodle. Pretty crazy actually. I actually tried it for the first time and I was blown away at how close it was. So if you don't want to spend all that time like I do making your fresh noodles and all that, this is a great substitute. Word of warning, your pot will probably foam a lot like this, so what you can do is just take a cup, scoop off the foam so it doesn't overflow over your pot. Time to prep our bowl of soup before the noodles finish boiling. I have my shoyu tare that I made a while back, link on the top right if you want to learn how to make, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of this, and a tablespoon of the aroma oil we made in the very beginning. I have a pot of soup boiling off camera, but it's a double stock soup. I used 200 milliliters of chicken stock my grandma made, and 100 milliliters of dashi, which I'll link on the top right if you want to learn how to make. Once it's nice and hot, just before boiling, we can pour it into our bowl to mix everything together. Usually shoyu ramen consists of a double stock. If you don't have any fresh chicken stock or dashi, just use 300 milliliters of boxed or canned chicken stock, or dashi powder as well. Once the pasta finishes boiling, we're going to take a sieve and filter out the excess water through it. This is the same reason why we do it for ramen noodles as well, because we don't want the extra water to dilute our soup. I've been trying to practice my chopsticks for a whole year in the pandemic, and I think it got a lot better, to be honest. I actually use them properly now, at least. Once strained, place them into your soup. Mix it around in the bowl a bit, and then do a noodle fold so you have a flat surface to place all your toppings. For my toppings, I have a soft-boiled egg. I don't have any ajitamas as I made this for lunch. I didn't know ahead of time if I was going to make ramen. And I have some turkey as well, since I didn't have any chashu left as well. We're going to top it off with our scallions. We're also not going to waste our fried aromatics that we made previously using our aroma oil. So this is going to be a great topping as well. And there you have it. Look at this bowl. Actually looks like real ramen, right? Even when you pick up the noodles, since I use linguine, it also looks kind of like ramen. Let me tell you about the taste. It's pretty similar too. And you don't have to, slave away like I do to make some as well. So if you have some pasta and baking soda lying around, give it a shot. I'm sure the results will surprise you just as much as it did for me. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at WeCanCooks. Thanks for the support.